Okay, I think this is working. Hello, Zarek. Hello, Petrilla. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, I think, is December 8th, 2018. And today, I'm going to read you the story of the Angry Dragon. I hope you like it. And here it goes. The Angry Dragon. Look how angry the dragon looks. Okay. It was time for George and his pet dragon Joe to play. With all of their toys spread out, they were having a fun day until George accidentally broke Joe's favorite toy. "Look what you've done!" Joe yelled. "You silly boy." Joe flew into a rage. He got angry. He got red. "It was an accident," a sorry George said. "I'm sorry I've upset you. Let's talk it out. Don't be angry. You don't have to shout. Breathe deeply and let's talk about how you feel. We can fix the toy. It's really not a big deal." Joe breathed and he felt better. George was right. He loved his best friend and he didn't want to fight. George helped Joe fix his toy with Dad's glue. Before long, it was as good as new. That afternoon, George was helping his mom clean. Joe wanted him to play. He thought George was being mean. Feelings hurt, Joe called George a very horrible name. He said, "You're not my friend if you don't want to play my game." George breathed deeply and said, "Joe, please don't be mad. Be patient and wait. For me, there's really no need to feel bad. There's a time to help Mom and have fun too. You're my best buddy, George, or Joe, and I will play with you." Joe listened to his friend and waited until George was done. Then they played music together and they had lots of fun. They were hungry in the kitchen later that day. George wanted to eat lots of sweets. George said, "No way. Eating lots of sweets is bad for your teeth and your tummy too." Joe yelled, "I'll eat what I want. Don't tell me what to do." Joe ate all the sweets, and then later that night, he was complaining that his tummy didn't feel right. He needed to lie down. He felt horrible and sad. "I'm sorry, George. I didn't listen to you," Joe said. "I feel bad. Getting my way hasn't turned out very well," Joe said, as George helped him sip some water he had lay in bed. George took care of his friend. He wanted Joe to feel good. He did everything for Joe that a best friend should. "I'm going to be more patient and less greedy," Joe said. "And instead of getting really angry, I'll try to talk. Try talking to you instead." "That's great. I'm proud of you," George said to his friend. The boys laughed and they chatted until the day came to an end. That's the end of the book. All done. Look. Alright, so anyways, I hope you guys like the book. Hopefully this works out pretty well for you. And you can play it instead of waiting weeks. Anyways, I love you very much. Thank you for sending me the video of you playing with the army men, attacking the gingerbread house. That was great, and I like watching your videos of you playing too. Send me videos. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day.